Have you ever wondered why influencers receive those beautifully designed boxes filled with products? That's what we call the PR package. And today, I will explain how PR boxes boost brands, why packaging matters, and how you can use them to elevate your marketing strategy. In today's digital world, presentation is everything. A PR package, also known as a PR box, is more than just free gifts. It's a curated package that brands send to influencers, media outlets, or even loyal customers. The goal is simple: spark attention, create emotional connection, and generate authentic social media buzz. So why are PR packages so powerful? First is authentic content creation. Influencers are more likely to post about the products when it's gifted in a thoughtful, creative way. Instead of feeling like an ad, it feels like a genuine recommendation. Second is emotional connection. The packaging itself can make all the difference. Imagine a luxury rigid box with a magnetic closure, velvet lining, or foil stamping. The moment you open it, you feel the value of the brand. Third is viral unboxing potential. On TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, a stunning PR box practically begs to be unboxed on camera. That moment becomes shareable content and sometimes even goes viral. But there's a secret. A PR box is not just a container. It's a carefully designed experience. From sturdy material to custom inserts, from layered unboxing to storytelling, every detail matters. And PR packaging keep evolving. In 2025, big trends include sustainable packaging, interactive QR codes, and reusable magnetic rigid boxes. At GUKA Packaging, we help brands create PR boxes that do more than whole products. Contact us today for a free quote and let's bring your PR vision to life. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and save it for later, so you always have fresh marketing insights at your fingertips.